Do you think a little sugar is harmless? Your body disagrees more than you know. Within minutes of eating sugar, your body sends out a full biological emergency alarm. This is not about calories alone. It is about a chain reaction your organs suffer. Your brain, pancreas, liver, kidneys, and blood vessels all respond the very moment sugar enters. Most people never realize what one soda quietly does to their body every single time. Once you understand what sugar truly does inside your body, you will never eat blindly again. Sugar does not just sit in your stomach. It moves fast and touches every organ. From the very first bite, sugar has already begun its journey through your entire biological system. The moment you bite something sweet, your saliva enzyme begins breaking starch into simple sugar. Refined sugars like glucose do not even wait. They absorb through your mouth's inner lining. Your brain and pancreas receive an instant alert that sugar is coming in right now. Sugar travels down your esophagus and skips straight past the stomach without stopping at all. Your stomach has no sugar enzymes, so it moves directly into the small intestine fast. Inside the small intestine, sugar absorbs at shocking speed and enters your bloodstream almost instantly. One donut with 30 grams of sugar floods your blood within just a few minutes. This sudden rush makes you feel alert and even euphoric because of a dopamine spike. But at the exact same time, your pancreas panics and floods the body with insulin. Insulin is the key that tells your cells to absorb glucose or store it as fat. When sugar keeps flooding in, your pancreas must keep producing more insulin without any rest. Over time, your cells stop responding to insulin, and this condition is called insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is the dangerous road that leads your body directly toward type 2 diabetes. Your pancreas eventually burns out from being constantly overworked by repeated waves of incoming sugar. Now the liver faces its own silent crisis, one that most people never see coming. Unlike glucose, fructose from sodas and sweets can only be processed inside your liver alone. When fructose overwhelms the liver, it converts that excess directly into visceral fat around your organs. This leads to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, causing chronic inflammation and serious internal organ damage. Fatty liver also worsens insulin resistance, which locks your entire body into a destructive metabolic loop. Your brain is not spared either, and the damage there is quietly devastating over time. Sugar spikes dopamine, your brain's pleasure signal, making every sweet bite feel like pure reward. But the high crashes fast, and your brain soon craves more sugar just to feel normal. This is the addiction loop, and it rewires your brain the same way substances do. Over years, too much sugar impairs your memory, weakens your focus, and slowly fuels depression. Your blood vessels suffer too, through a silent, damaging process most people have never heard of. Sugar bonds with proteins in your blood, creating compounds that stiffen your vessel walls badly. This process is called glycation, and it destroys collagen while quietly raising your blood pressure. You feel nothing while your arteries corrode slowly, and that silent damage is truly dangerous. Stiff, damaged vessels lead to hypertension, atherosclerosis, and eventually a devastating stroke or heart failure. Your kidneys function like filters, and too much sugar is like pouring sludge through them. Sugar damages the tiny filters inside your kidneys, slowly reducing their ability to clean blood. Early signs include protein in urine, kidney stones, and steadily rising blood pressure over time. Chronic sugar overload can lead to kidney disease, often without any obvious early warning signs. Your immune system also takes one of the fastest and hardest hits from excess sugar. Within 30 minutes of a sugary drink, your immune cell efficiency drops by 40%. Sugar weakens your gut bacteria balance and cripples your body's natural ability to fight infection. The result is a confused immune system that leaves you vulnerable and sick far too often. Chronic inflammation becomes the body's new default state, and your energy drains without any clear reason. Now imagine your organs as a team, each one playing a critical role every day. Pour too much sugar in, and suddenly every player is overwhelmed, out of sync, and exhausted. Blood glucose spikes, insulin surges, cells overfill, and leftover glucose quietly converts into stored fat. That fat releases inflammatory signals that damage vessels, cloud the brain, and slowly strain your kidneys. Science calls this chronic metabolic syndrome, where the body completely loses control over its energy. Everything collapses not from one big meal, but from repeated small doses of daily sugar. The scariest part is that this damage builds silently, long before any symptoms ever appear. Every organ has been quietly absorbing the damage, waiting for you to make a different choice. But here is the most powerful thing you need to hear about your body today. Your body is not broken. It is simply waiting for you to give it a break. Just a few days of cutting back on sugar, and your body begins repairing itself. Insulin calms down, your liver starts recovering, and your brain slowly shifts back into focus mode. Your kidneys quietly recover, and your immune system regains the strength it was always meant to have. You do not have to quit sugar forever. Just learn to eat it with real awareness. Drink water before sweet snacks, and pair sugar with fiber or healthy fats to slow spikes. Space out your meals to give insulin a proper recovery break between each eating session.